Today guys, I show you how to download and install Zoom app on your PC or on your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do guys, just open your browser the same way is on your phone and type Zoom download. You will see this first site, click on it and you will see download center. Scroll here down, you will see download 64-bit or 32-bit. If you need this app on your phone, scroll here down, you will see App Store and get it on Google Play Store. Also you can scan QR code to get Zoom. If you need app on your phone, just go here, get it on Google Play and you will see install now for free. Go here back for PC and laptop, go here download 64-bit, click on it. Save installation like me and wait for download process. After downloading Zoom app, just install it, go here run and you will see Zoom. After installing Zoom app like me, you will see sign up or sign in. Just sign in on your account and you have Zoom app on your PC or on your mobile. And that's it all guys for this video, how to install and download Zoom app for your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.